So here is something that I learned while studying how to be an affiliate marketer is there's many things you can promote. So the three biggest areas that you want to look into are health and fitness, relationships, and make money online. So for example, let's say you were into health and fitness. You can actually go to a site called ClickBank and you can choose health and fitness, and they actually have products you can promote and earn an income. So for instance, they have the custom keto diet. So if you are in health and fitness and you're promoting, healthy, lose weight, you can actually take that product and create a funnel. And then if you have a Facebook group or if you're on TikTok and you're talking about it all the time, you can actually put that link somewhere where it's clickable. And if someone clicks on that link, you are going to earn a commission. What do you think about that?